How to sync your Facebook profile on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sync your Facebook profile on Android device. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your settings on your Android device. Scroll down to the bottom. Select Users and Account. Select Add Account at bottom of the screen. Now here you will find all the adding account options. Simply, you have to select Facebook and enter your Facebook email and password and tap on the sign in, then tap allow to grant Facebook permissions. After that, to access your device data, you simply need to tap Facebook and then select three dots at top right. Tap Sync Now button, and that's all. You will successfully sync your Facebook profile on Android device. Now you can access to your Facebook content from your device, such as your Facebook news feed, message events, and many more. So I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.